Welcome back to the Little Fence Institute. Let's learn some common sentences. How are you? Which means Hegitiya or Hegitira. Hegitiya is for somebody who is younger to you or whom you're familiar with, while Hegitira is for people who are older than you or whom you're not familiar with. I am fine, which means Nanu channagiddene. What is your name? Nimma hesarenu. Nimma is always to address people who are older than you, so you're telling them respectfully. Or somebody whom you're not familiar with, or you have met somebody for the first time, or in a professional setting. Ninna Hesarenu is for people who are younger or somebody whom you're familiar with. My name is Deepa, which means Nanna Hesaru Deepa. And you can always say Nanna Hesaru followed by whatever is your name. Where are you going? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Or ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ನೀವು is also older people, ನೀನು is for younger people. I am going to school. ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Though people now say ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, but that is an English word. ಶಾಲೆ is the Kannada word. Where are you? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Or ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? Where are you from? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರು? What do you want? ನಿನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು or ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? Again, ನಿನಗೆ is here for people who are younger. ನಿಮಗೆ is for people who are older. Where shall we go? ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ? ನಾವು is here we when there are more people. Where shall we go? ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ? Shall we go? Which means ಹೋಗೋಣ. Did you have your lunch? ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? I had my lunch. ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. The lunch is spicy. ಊಟ ಖಾರವಾಗಿದೆ. The lunch was spicy. ಊಟ ಖಾರವಾಗಿತ್ತು. We'll eat later. ನಾವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೇವೆ. Let's have coffee. ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ. Shall we meet tomorrow? ನಾಳೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Where are you? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ or ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? What are you doing? ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? May I help you? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿ? Walk faster. ಬೇಗ ನಡೆಯಿರಿ. Walk slowly. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿರಿ. I can speak many languages. ನಾನು ಹಲವು ಭಾಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. I don't know Kannada. ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I know little Kannada. ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I am learning Kannada. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I know Kannada. ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What did you do today? ಇಂದು ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Help me. ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ. Please help me. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ. Let's go and help. ಹೋಗಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ. I need to go. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Let's play. ಆಡೋಣ. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.